Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Friday the 15th of November, 2019, at 2200 hours GMT. And some 12 hours ago, we published a video entitled China-US Trade Deal Underpins Equities and Undermines Gold and Silver. Now, at the time of writing this morning, gold was $14.66 and silver was $16.89. And we quoted positive news from White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow, who announced late on Thursday at an event at the Council on Foreign Relations in Washington that a trade deal with China was very close and possibly could be announced later this month, even though President Xi and President Trump may not actually meet to sign the deal publicly. We also advise listeners to watch out for the retail sales, import prices and industrial production figures, all for October. And these figures are now in, which we shall cover in depth in tomorrow's weekly update. But that said, retail sales were up for October at 0.3%, higher than the 0.2% forecast and the minus 0.3% in September. Import prices, excluding fuel, were down 0.2%, but industrial production was down 0.8% compared with an estimated 0.5%. So industrial production was disappointing. Despite this, stock markets once again rose to all-time highs, with the Dow Jones exceeding 28,000 for the first time, and the S&P 500 reached another record and gained for the 6th week in a row, the longest streak in 2 years. The Nasdaq also hit all-time highs. Now, the dollar index has fallen just below 98. But there is no doubt that as we have forecast these past 2 weeks, equities are on a tear. And nowhere near that imminent collapse people who are trying to scaremonger us keep predicting. Now, of course, this will eventually end, but as we have stated many times before, there is another bull leg left in the equity markets, and it's not all doom and gloom short term. Gold and silver, in fairness, are little moved from this morning, perhaps because of the slightly contradicting economic data. But silver is marginally higher, whereas gold is virtually the same. But again, we shall cover this tomorrow. For those following political issues, and we won't mention this tomorrow because it's fundamental economics, Roger Stone has apparently been found guilty on all counts, and he will be sentenced in February, at least according to Reuters. But this is hot off the press, so to speak, so there's little further we can add at this stage. Thank you for listening, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel, not forgetting to press that all-important bell sign so that you may be notified of future videos as they are published. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.